Number two is delusion. And delusion means the narratives turn fast when the structures are complex. And this is a problem because the same case includes equity, a convertible loan note, and the market facility, and a set of status safeguards, plus a commitment to a regulatory new service disclosures for each tranche. So if the board does not keep that story very tight, investors feel the gaps with worst case assumption, right? Because people tend to negative for whichever reason. And problem number three is private helpful updates can become a market abuse problem. The UK market abuse regulation prohibits the unlawful disclosure of inside information, and the Financial Conduct Authority has published best practice guidance on identifying, controlling, and disclosing inside information. So the board needs discipline about what is said, to whom and when.